Hey guys, how you going? Happy Easter. Today I'm going to make a beautiful, fresh, vegan Nutella in the Vitamix A3500 blender. So I've just got some beautiful roasted hazelnuts straight out of the oven. We've had them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. So I'm basically just going to pour them straight into my container here. I want about 2 to 3 cups of my Nutella. Yeah, it looks perfect. I've got all the measurements on the side here. A little bit over, take some out. I want to keep my measurements pretty accurate when you're making nut butters. That's 3 cups, that looks beautiful. I'm going to also add in some cacao. So I'm using this raw chocolate powder, really healthy for you, filled with all sorts of different nutrients. Hazelnuts, of course, are really good for you as well. They're high in unsaturated fats, really high in nutrients, magnesium, iron, calcium, so really good for us. I'm going to put in some maple syrup, a nice sweetener. You can use any sweetener you like, doesn't matter. Beautiful. As little or as much as you like. Just scrape that out there. There we go. And a little bit of sea salt. I'm really going to bring out the flavor in that cacao and that chocolate. And that looks delicious. So a nice healthy alternative on Easter Day. We're going to make some nice vegan Nutella. I'm going to use my tamper. I'm going to get that up to high speed for about 1 minute till it's nice and smooth. And I'll add olive oil if required. Away we go. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, fresh, homemade vegan Nutella. Try some of that. It's really hard to talk once you get that in your mouth. Definitely try this at home. I needed to add a little bit of oil there, just to help it out. Add as much oil or sweetness as you need, it's entirely up to you. Happy blending.